Diphthongs A, I, and Oi. A diphthong is a combination of two adjacent vowel sounds that occur as a nucleus of a syllable. Since they are two vowel sounds, diphthongs are represented by two vowel symbols. For this reason, diphthongs are different from a composite vowel sound like U in Q and few. Here, the vowel sound starts with the semi-vowel Y and then moves into the vowel U. Since composite vowels are composed of a semi-vowel and a vowel, they can be viewed as being composed of an onset and a nucleus. But diphthongs are fully contained in the syllable nucleus. There are 5 diphthongs in standard American English. They can be divided into 2 groups based on the final vowel sound, E or U. Those ending with E are A, I, and Oi, and those that end with U are OW and O. The production of a diphthong is easy since all you need to do is start from one vowel sound and then glide into another vowel sound. So for example, for A, you begin with the E sound and then glide into E sound. And for I, you begin with the A sound and then glide into E sound, and so on. In this episode, we learn diphthongs that end with E, and in the next episode, we examine diphthongs that end with U. A words. These are words with the sound A, with A: able, ache, age, ancient, bathe, blame, break, cake, case, date, escape, face, fade, game, gate, gaze, lake, late, major, male, make, name, pale, place, plate, range, sail, same, sane, snake, spade, stake, state, take, tail, trace, whale. With AI, aid, aim, brain, chain, claim, detail, explain, fail, gain, hail, jail, main, paid, plain, praise, rail, rain, raise, remain, retail, sail, snail, Spain, stain, straight, tail, train, trait, wait, wave. With AY, day, delay, essay, display, pay, pray, play, say, stay, today, tray, way. With EIGH, weigh, wade, wait. With AU, gauge is also pronounced with A. A homophones. These are homophones: break, break, great, great, male, male, plain, plain, rain, rain, sail, sail, stake, stake, tail, tail, wave, wave, waste, waste, whales, whales, way, way, wait, wait, wade, wade. A minimal pairs. Bet, bait. Bell, bail. Debt, date. Gel, jail. Get, gate. Hell, hail. Mel, male. Met, mate. Red, raid. Quell, quail. Sell, sail. Well, whale. pell, pale. Shell, shale. Snell, snail. Wet, wait. When, wane. Wren, rain. I words. The diphthong I can be found in these words with IE, lie, pie, tie. With I, bind, blind, child, climb, bike, drive, file, fine, ice, item, smile, strike, time, title, while, white, wide, fight, flight, fright. With IGH, height, high, light, might. With Y, apply, cycle, deny, July, rye, shy, sky, style. Ire words. I in combination with R is an R-colored vowel that is pronounced ire. Acquire, choir, desire, entire, fire, hire, inspire, Ireland, iron, require, retire, umpire, wire. In the following words, the R does not make the preceding vowel an R-colored vowel. Gyrate, irate, pirate, spiral, virus. That is, you don't say gyre-ate or pyre-it, but gyrate and pirate. I homophones. These are I homophones. I'll, bite, bite, buy, sight, sight, die, find, high, I, night, mind, right, side, size, sight, time, wine, why. These are words that can be pronounced in a few different ways. Either and neither can be pronounced as either, neither, neither. Fragile is pronounced as fragile in England, but fragile in America. Geyser is pronounced as geezer in England, but geyser in America. Oi. And finally, we have the diphthong oi sound. The spelling of this sound is very straightforward. Normally oy at the end of the syllable and oi in other positions. Exceptions are usually found in proper names like Joyce and Freud. Oi words. These are words with oi sound. With oi, avoid, choice, coin, Illinois, join, joint, point, noise, voice, android, moisture, ointment, poison, sirloin, toilet, oil, soil, spoil, boil, foil. With oy. boy, destroy, destroyer, employ, employee, employer, enjoy, Floyd, joy, Joyce, Lloyd, royal, toy, annoy, boycott, soy. These are sentences with the A, I, and oi sounds. With A. The rain in Spain stays mainly on the plain. I ate the cake on the plate. Can you explain this claim in plain English? They weighed the snail every day. The sailor was put into jail without delay. With I. The child in style smiled widely. Birds fly high in the July sky. They desire to travel entire Ireland. When we are frightened, we either fight or flight. With oi. He poisoned his employer with sirloin steak. The boy in Illinois joined the boycott. You need to boil the oil to cook the oyster. Join the club.